convertible on advise on it.
Hello.
Hello, officer. I'm from California. I'm clueless.
Oh, are you? Well, do you know why I stopped you? Okay. When you were coming off of the crosstown there's a stop sign when you get onto Cleveland. You just blew right through the stop sign. Yeah. Where are you headed to?
We are 4 minutes away from somewhere.
Oh, okay. Where are you guys coming from tonight?
I came from Clearwater.
Okay. And so you still live in California, just here visiting? Okay. How much did you have to drink tonight?
Nothing.
You haven't drank anything at all? Okay. All right, hang tight for me, okay? Hey, it's Kevin. Kevin, can I talk to you back here, please? Good? Yeah. All right. You're not going anywhere. We're just going to be right here.
Yes, sir.
I just wanted to talk to you back here. Listen, I want to make sure you... Oh, no, right here. Come on right here for me. Come on right up here. Yep. I just want to make sure you haven't been drinking, okay? I can smell a lot of alcohol coming from the car, okay?
Yeah, it might not be me, though.
Okay. What I'd like to do is just check your eyes, okay? I want to make sure you're okay to drive. You okay with that?
I don't consent to anything. I'm sorry.
Okay. Well, you understand if you don't comply and you don't do the field sobriety exercises that I'm asking you to do, you're forcing me to make a decision to arrest you or not arrest you based on what I've already seen.
I did run a stop sign. You are correct, sir. I ran a stop sign, and so you'll have to make that determination.
Yep. And I can also smell alcohol on you. Okay. Your speech is slurred. Okay. Your eyes are watery and bloodshot. So all of those things are leading me to believe that you have been consuming alcohol tonight. I can stand here. I'm 3 feet away from you. I can smell the alcohol. Okay. So do you understand what I just told you? Do you understand what I just told you?
Officer, I plead the fifth.
Okay, would you let me check your eyes?
No.
Okay. Go ahead and put your hands on your back. Put your palms together. Put your palms together. Well, palms.
I don't know.
There you go. Palms together. There you go, just like that. You're going to be placed under arrest for DUI, okay? 672, I'm 1015. Give us 54 for me. Oh, hold on. Just keep your arms relaxed, please. I just want to make sure these aren't too tight, okay? Just take a couple steps back for me right here. I just got to take everything out of your pockets, okay? You go face the car. Who is it? Whose car is it? A friend of yours or somebody that's in the vehicle? Well, I tell you what, we're just going to tow the vehicle. Just spread your feet for me. Come on back here, have a seat. Seat for me.
Yes, for you to go back and forth.
Gentlemen, okay, he's been arrested for DUI. Okay, you guys are going to have to find a ride to wherever you're going. You're more than welcome to Uber, get a cab, something like that. For the time being, I have to have everyone get out of the car, though. We've got to tow the vehicle, unfortunately. Okay, let me help you out. I know you're. You want to get out on that side?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. You guys have an Uber app or Lyft, something like that?
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
Okay. Thank you.
What's next steps for him?
He's go down to the jail. He'll be held for 8 hours from right now, and then he's eligible to be released after 8 hours.
Which jail is it?
It's Hillsborough County, Orient Road. What's that?
Do you have a card by chance?
We don't carry business cards.
Okay.
But it's Hillsborough County, and it's. Are you guys from here?
No.
Everyone's from California?
Yeah.
Okay. It's the Hillsborough County Jail. There's 2 jails here, but there's really only one intake facility, and that's Orient Road. So 8 hours from right now, he'll be eligible to be released. He'll have a $500 bond. He can pay it himself.
Which road is it?
It's on Orient Road.
And how far is the jail from here?
It's about 10 minutes. 10 minutes that way.
All right.
Yeah. So you have a $500 bond, and he can pay it himself, or somebody can pay it for him. And then what'll happen is, in about 2 hours, when he gets down there, he'll be able to make some phone calls. So he'll be able to call one of y'all.
Should I put the referral in there?
Yeah, absolutely.
Can you check me his phone on it?
Yeah, I've got his phone.
You guys?
Yep. Six, 7, 2.
6727.
Can I get a rotation record? Speak for signal 1.
Let's work it over the 23.
Kevin, do you have a wallet somewhere that you want for like your credit cards and stuff like that? Well, you're gonna need it to bond out. Do you have it? Do you have it with you? Where is it at? Well, are you gonna tell me or not? I'm not gonna. I mean, just tell me where it is. By telling me where your wallet is, you're not incriminating yourself on anything. You're already under arrest. If you want me to take your wallet so you can bond out, that's fine. I'm not. You're gonna sit in jail until Monday until you see a judge. Okay. Kevin, sir, when we go inside, I'm going to ask you to do a breath test. Are you willing to do that? You just don't, you want to do the silent treatment thing where you don't answer? Alright, I'm Officer Tampa Police Department. I am now requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content. Will you take the test I'm requesting, yes or no? You're not going to answer, Kevin? Because if you're going to refuse, that's fine. This is your option. You can do whatever you want to do. But it would make the process quicker if you just cooperated instead of being uncooperative. Alright, if you refuse to take the test I've requested of you, your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of 1 year for a first refusal, or 18 months if your driving privilege has been previously suspended, or if you've been previously fined under Florida Statute 327.35215 for refusing to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood. Additionally, if you refuse to take the test I've requested of you, and if your driving privilege has been previously suspended, or if you have been previously fined under Florida Statute 327.35215 for a refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood, you will be committing a misdemeanor. In addition to any other penalties which can be imposed by law. Refusing to submit to testing is admissible as evidence in a criminal proceeding. Do you understand what I've just read to you?
I did not refuse my blood. Thank you, sir.
I'm not asking you for your blood, I'm asking you for your breath.
You read a statement? I'm done. Thank you.
Okay, do you understand what I've read to you? Do you understand what I just read to you? This is saying your license is going to be suspended for a period of 1 year for a first refusal, or if this is your second refusal, it'll be suspended for 18 months, and it's an additional misdemeanor charge. And refusing to submit to testing is admissible as evidence in a criminal proceeding. Do you understand what I've just read to you? Alright. Well, I tell you what we're going to do. Since you don't want to answer, that's fine. We are going to go inside. We're going to sit you down in front of a breath testing instrument after the observation period. And I'm going to give you an opportunity to provide the breath sample. And if at that time you do not want to blow into the instrument, then it'll be a refusal. I just moved to your left. All right, come on here, we're going to go right to that door that you're looking at. Just face the window there. Hey, yep. Come on in, Kevin. In and then to your right.
We literally just texted and we're like, hey, can we come pick you up? And next thing you know.
Yeah, he got pulled over. I don't even know what for, and he got arrested for DUI. Unfortunately, the car has to be towed because he's not here to sign it off to anybody. So.
Can we take any, like, his, I don't know if he's got a suitcase in the back. Because that's one thing, like, you know, you show your other machine to pick up over there, it literally, they'll take everything out. That's what I was kind of worried about.
I don't think he really had much in here, to be honest.
It's like, because the rental company will come pick it up after the impound.
Yeah, the only thing he's got in there is a phone charger. So,
You mind if I grab that stuff?
to be honest, without him being here, I can't just give, you know what I mean? Like, he's not here to tell me that I can just give stuff away to people. But all the important stuff went with him. So, he's being taken to Orient Road Jail. It's over by the Hard Rock Casino. At that point, he can bond himself out, or
Yeah, dude, can he bond himself out, or can we do it for him?
he can bond himself out. I don't know if he had his stuff with him. If he had his wallet with him, he can just use his own credit card and bond himself out.
Okay, just for fun, like, how much is the bond for?
Usually $500 for DUI.
Okay. Do you happen to have the address? So I'll just drive over there now.
Do you got your phone on you?
Yes, sir.
I think it's 1201 Orient Road, but you just Google Orient Road Jail.
12, Orient?
ORIENT.
Jail?
Yep, right there.
Okay. And now, we're all from Vegas and he's from LA, so if we go down there, we pay for the bond, they just book him and then release him pretty quickly, or is it like hours?
Usually for DUI, they hold it for 8 hours. That way to make sure there's nothing in his system when he gets bumped out. Really, there's no point of going down there. If anything, I would call first and say, hey, is he ready to be released? He'll most likely, if he has his stuff on him, just bond himself out. That's done with that pretty much.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, I appreciate it. Sorry for the headache.
No, man, it is what it is. Give it probably a couple hours, and then call and see what his status is, because it takes a minute just to get him booked in. So if you call him now, they're not even gonna know he's coming yet.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yep. Have a good night.
Frank 2.